Hi guys, welcome to our video lecture. This one is just an introduction to what I expect you guys to do tomorrow. Not too much work, although we do have a Zoom from 9 to 9:50. Very important that you make it so that we can review. We're going to spend some time reviewing for our test that will be Monday. It's a little preview. So you're going to go to modules, please. If you will, day 3 current demo will be open and ready for you to do. Here's what you're going to do, what I expect from you tomorrow. You're going to watch the videos of a demonstration on how currents are formed, spelled that wrong, due to the density differences of the water. There's the video. Some things to know. In the video, the red water is hot and the blue water is cold. Number 2, you're going to watch a second video that demonstrates convection currents. The video link is right there. Some things you need to know if they don't explain it to you. The middle cup has hot water in it, or it is a warmer system. The two sides or the outer cups have cold water in them. Step number 3 is to answer the following questions in the submission box. For the first video, what happens to the red water? Where does it go? In the first video still, what happens to the blue water? Where does it go? And then number 3, why do we see this specific movement? Why do we see the water move where it moves? And then in the second video, at the very beginning, where is the water in the middle of the box going? So in the first couple seconds, where's the water going? The red water specifically. Number 2, what happens is the water spreads out on top over the outer cups. So as the water moves in the way that it does and it spreads out on top, what happens as it goes out towards the outer cups? What happens to the water? And number 3, why do you think this is happening? So what's making that water move in the way it is? Number 4, how can you apply what you learned in both videos to how you know the ocean is moving? Hint, think deep water currents. So where do we see this in the ocean? Really explain what phenomenon is happening here and how it changes the ocean water, how the ocean water is displaying this and what it results in. How do we use it? Okay, so answer those questions. You can simply highlight, copy, and paste into a text box. Answer your questions. I'd prefer if they were bold, the answers, so that I could see them easily. And then there's a giant reminder. Join us at 9 a.m. this morning for a review in Zoom. If you do not join us for the Zoom, please spend some time working on missing assignments. This should not take you very long. Many of you are starting to slack off on your work on your days that you are virtual. So please get working on your assignments, okay? You are high schoolers. This counts. These classes count. The points count as well. Please spend some time working on your missing work. Have a great day.